Today, I'm going to tell you about a Fort Lauderdale hotel that is one of only a few places in the world with underwater live mermaid shows. This resort is convenient to both the Fort Lauderdale Airport and Port Everglades. If you're looking for a very unique place to stay pre-cruise, post-cruise, or just on vacation, please keep watching. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope wherever you are having a splendid day. And if you're new here, welcome. This is the second video in my ongoing series, Strange Stays in the Sunshine State. In these videos, I stay in unique or just plain weird hotels, motels, or Airbnbs in Florida. In my first video, I stayed in an Airbnb tree house on a farm right in the heart of Miami, and I will link that video at the end if you'd like to check it out. But in this video, I'm going to tell you all about a historic hotel with an interesting past and even more interesting entertainment. My husband and I stayed at the Ocean Resort, and I went to the live mermaid show. In fact, I went to a naughty mermaid show. Oh yes, and did I mention that this hotel is designed to look like a cruise ship? I have a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. This iconic hotel was originally called the Yankee Clipper. This hotel in the 50s started doing live mermaid shows in its rec bar. The hotel has quite a history. Marilyn Monroe and Joe DiMaggio stayed there. I don't know if they saw the mermaid show, but I'm guessing so. And I actually found some pictures online of Marilyn at the Yankee Clipper. And the hotel was featured in the 1999 movie Analyze This with Robert De Niro and Billy Crystal. In 2010, the Yankee Clipper became a Sheraton, and Sheraton sold it a few years later to the Carlyle Group for $107 million. It was then completely renovated and became the Ocean Resort, and thank goodness the rec room and the mermaid shows remained. Before I get into the show, I'm going to tell you about the resort. The location is pretty unique because it is right on the beach. A lot of Fort Lauderdale, quote-unquote, beachfront hotels are actually across the street from the beach. At this resort, the beach area is very nice with complimentary loungers and umbrellas for hotel guests. Another thing that makes this property special is that there isn't a lot of public parking available nearby, so the beach is very private. Plus, the section of the beach right next to the resort is very, very wide, one of the largest beaches in the area. I think it's undeveloped because that section of the beach is right next to a park. The resort has two pools. The main pool is right next to the beach, and there is a bar on the pool deck where you can get food and drinks. There is a second pool on the floor right above the rec bar. If you're swimming in that pool, people may be able to see you in the bar, so keep that in mind if you're swimming. The second pool is closed during shows because that's where the mermaids perform. This is a pretty pricey hotel. We used Brightline to book, and we selected one of the options where they pick the hotel for you. We just asked for a 4-star hotel on Fort Lauderdale Beach. The express deal we used was for a 4-star Fort Lauderdale Beach Resort for $250 a night. That was the deal on Priceline. We just happened to get the Ocean Resort, and as soon as we did, I knew I wanted to make a video about it. I did check the rates on the hotel website for the dates that we were there, and they were charging $450 for our room, so $250 was a pretty good deal. Our room was nice and comfortable. I don't think it was worth $450 a night, but the fact that the resort is right on the beach is definitely a big plus. But for what we paid, I thought it was worth it. The hotel also has a restaurant. It's called the Naked Crab, and it has a lobby bar. So now let's get into the mermaids. As I said, the show is in the rec bar, and you do need to purchase tickets online on Ocean Resort's website. We went to the Aqua Burlesque show, and this show is offered on Friday and Saturday nights. Our tickets were $65 each, and that included a $35 credit for food and drinks. You can have dinner while you're watching the show, or you can just have drinks or appetizers. As I said, this show has been going on for more than 70 years, and it's one of just a few shows in the world featuring live underwater mermaids. The show we saw was a burlesque show, so the mermaids started with their tails on, then they took them off, and then they took off more. It's burlesque, so it's not nude, but it is risque. You see a lot more flesh in a Netflix movie, but I wanted to point out that this show is for adults only, and it is a sexy show. The crowd was really into it, and it was a very fun, lighthearted, kind of silly experience. The men in the audience really didn't react much, but the women did. They were very lively, whooping it up and cheering loudly for the performers. I would happily see the show again. I absolutely loved it. After the show, the mermaids came out and you can tip them and take photos. Interestingly, none of the men tipped them or took photos, but a lot of the women did, including me. By the way, they looked totally dry and their makeup was perfect. I need to know their secrets. If you're not into burlesque or you have kids with you, they do offer a family-friendly show that features a mermaid and King Neptune. The family-friendly show is on Saturdays in the afternoon, and they also offer a Sunday brunch that is for all ages. Oh, and on Thursday nights, they feature the Aquaman. This is an all-male mermaid show. Mermen show. Anyway, that's on Thursday nights. And the Aquaman is another burlesque style show. It's for adults only. You do not have to be a hotel guest to see these shows. So if you're in Fort Lauderdale, you can just go on the website and purchase tickets. The URL is beoceanresort.com. I wanted to point out that the Be Ocean Resort is around a 20-minute drive from the Fort Lauderdale airport and about a 15-minute drive to Port Everglades. And if you're staying in this resort or any other Fort Lauderdale hotel and you need to get to the Port of Miami, I highly recommend looking into the Brightline train. I have a video all about the Brightline and I will put the link in the description box below. What do you think of this unique hotel? Would you stay here? Would you go to the Mermaid show? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd also like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you like my content, it really helps me out. If you'd like to talk Florida travel with me just a little bit longer, I will link 2 videos at the end that I think you might like. The video on the left is when I stayed in a tree house on a farm in the middle of Miami. And the video on the right is my best tips if you're visiting Fort Lauderdale, what to do and where to eat. Until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. I appreciate you and thank you so much for watching. Bye.